Punekars take Amras very seriously. And before the season could end, we had to have Pune's best unlimited Amras Thali.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin,
And I'm Adrian.
and that's my mom right there. And guess what? We are in Pune to have the unlimited veg thali at one of our favorite restaurants. So we are here to have the amras with the unlimited veg thali because
This is the last week to have the Amras.
that's right. This is the last week to have the amras, and very soon, unfortunately, the mangoes will disappear, and so will the amras. So here we have the entire crew, and they have lined up to give us different items in our thali. So, ये क्या है? Welcome drink. Okay. So if you see here, the welcome drink, this is jaljeera and this is chas, which is buttermilk. Thank you. Okay. And here comes another guy. आपके पास क्या है? Salad. Okay. ठीक है. So as you guys know, this is the unlimited thali. So there are multiple options. The last time when we were here, we had more than 25 to 30 items. So look at the salad, guys, and look at this green chutney. And here comes another guy. Samosa chaat. Okay. Wow. So beautiful colors on the thali. We are waiting for some more guys to come in, but this is a weekday, guys. If you're here on a weekend, this place gets jam packed. In fact, it was packed, but we reached here a bit late. But if you're coming here, please plan accordingly. Okay. So here comes some more items. ये क्या है?
जैसलमेरी चना सर,
कौन सा चना?
जैसलमेरी
जैसलमरी. Okay. And look at this. मेथी वाली.
मेथी आलू रस्सा वाला,
मेथी आलू रस्सा. Okay.
पनीर बटर मसाला,
Wow, paneer butter masala. Love this. And what else he has?
परवल ड्राई,
Parwal. Okay. And
कचौरी,
kachori. Wow.
ढोकला,
ढोकला. ये क्या?
उत्तपा,
उत्तप्पा. हाँ, ढोकला तो नहीं है. नहीं नहीं, उधर नहीं, सिर्फ इधर ही. इधर. हाँ,
दाल करी,
dal curry. Okay. So this is the dal man here. He has dal, different kinds of dal. हाँ, दाल ये.
ये कड़ी,
ये कौन सा? राजस्थानी कड़ी.
राजस्थानी.
राजस्थानी कड़ी.
ये गुजराती कड़ी,
Gujarati curry. Okay. Look at our plate, guys. Already so many items. Oh, and here comes the star of the show, Amras, the most awaited guy. Look at the Amras, guys. It looks so thick and gorgeous. ये कौन से आम का है? केसर. Okay. This केसर mango. And look at the fluff. हाँ. ये रोटी और ये
मसाला पराठा,
मसाला पराठा. घी. हाँ, घी चाहिए. So ghee is mandatory, guys, with this. And look at the reaction of my mom and Adrian. They're eagerly waiting for their thalis, but let me get done with mine. हाँ, puri or papad. So guys, another favorite of ours, jalebi, bought by this gentleman. हाँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही डालना जलेबी because we love jalebi. And yes, thank you. So they are enjoying the jalebi. And Adrian, what do you have to say about the jalebi?
So sweet.
हाँ, मस्त गोड. Okay, so here we have rice. ये कौन सा राइस है?
स्टीम राइस,
स्टीम राइस. और ये ऊपर क्या है?
गरम दाल,
बरम दाल. ओके.
खिचड़ी से,
दिस इज दाल खिचड़ी.
पुलाव राइस,
पुलाव राइस. और भी आइटम्स है इसमें कि हो गया? Okay, thank you. So most of the items in the thali have been served, and if you have a look, guys, there are so many items. So I counted randomly, there are at least more than 25 items, and guess what? All this is unlimited. I have to show you their reaction when he's serving the amras. So this is what we are here for, and my mom has been waiting since so many days. And look at Adrian, she cannot take her eyes off the amras. So guys, look at the amras. My thali is already served, and they are midway. Some more items coming in on their thalis. Just like every time we visit here, each and every time we have a bright smile on our face, because if you see the thali here, guys, look at the different colors on the thali. Everything looks so vibrant, and not just the look, even the taste is great. We've come here multiple times, and each and every time we haven't been disappointed. So let me first grab the roti. If you have a look, guys, it was so fluffy, and there is ghee on top of this. And just like every time, I always have the big question in my mind, where do I dip the roti first? So let me just start from this side. So here is the paneer. Look at this beautiful, rich and thick gravy. You know, you have to come here and taste the food. Without a doubt, this is our favorite place in Pune to have the veg food. Okay, so if you see here, the paneer inside has a very rich and creamy gravy, and look at the pieces of paneer, little pieces of paneer inside. They're so delicious. I couldn't stop myself from taking another bite. Just so good. Now let's move over to this side. So this is some aloo item. Aloo basically is like potato, and look at this gravy here. There is some other vegetable in it as well. You know, this one and this one is poles apart. The taste is so different. That is the best thing what I enjoy about this thali. The flavors are too good. Like each and everything is so unique, and the flavors are simply irresistible. If you come here once, I'm warning you, you will keep coming back here. That is how good the food is here. And look at this, guys. This is some kind of chana that they have served. Let's try this. Again, magnificent. Such good flavors, guys. Such good flavors. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So I'm trying the puri as well. If you see, small puri but very fluffy. Let's try this with the dal. This is some thick dal that they have given. Thick with all the spices. De do puri. So if you see here, while I'm eating, these guys will keep coming, and the reason why is because the thali is unlimited, and I'm sure you will need them again and again because the food is sensational. Now let's try this with the kadhi. This is the Rajasthani kadhi. So those of you who know this is made from curd. It's a bit tangy, but at the same time it's very creamy. And what do we have here? This is something else. This is the Gujarati kadhi, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just sip this. This is a bit sweeter, but guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 items that I've had so far. Each and everything is so different, and it represents different places in India. Like this is from Rajasthan, this is from Gujarat. Paneer, you know, is famous in Punjabi cuisine. Everything is so different. Okay, now let's move on to Amras. So those of you who are born and brought up in Maharashtra, this is irresistible. I mean, you can't stay away from Amras for a long time. And the season is about to end. This week is the last week in Naivedya for Amras. So if you haven't tried the Amras here, you have to visit. Let's try this now. It just goes down so smoothly, and this is Kesar mango, guys. So those of you who know, Kesar mango is from Gujarat. It has a very distinct flavor, very sweet, just like the Alfonso, but you know, because it's from Gujarat, the taste is different, but it makes fabulous Amras. And if you see here, there's some sort of condensation on it. So this is very sweet, creamy, and it is cold as well. Refreshing. I'm going to save this for later, and I'm going to take some more as well. Wow. Okay, let me swipe this clean. And what's this? This was some samosa chaat. Guys, everything is so damn delicious. We even have chaat in this thali. Wow. Papad is regular papad. And if I remember, this is the masala paratha and this is the parwal here. So let's try this with the parwal. If you see here, very different flavors. It's yellow in color, thick but so tasty, guys. And this is a little uttappa as well. So they haven't left South India alone because we have everything here from different states. And this is the uttappa. Let's try the uttappa. Even though it's so small, it's packed with flavor. Very nice uttappa, and this is some kachori. Let's break this and see what's inside. So as you can see, there is some beautiful masala and it's crispy. Very nice kachori, and these are different chutneys. And I missed something. This is the welcome drink which I was supposed to have before, but looking at the thali I forgot about the welcome drink, but no problem, I'm going to have it now. There's some lovely bundi in it. Jaljeera is refreshing, and this one is served cold as well. Okay, and this is some tak that we have here. So I guess a lot of it must have settled down, that's why I need to stir it. And let's try this. So there was a dressing of jeera on top of this. So guys, nothing is average here. Everything is excellent. Even the tak and the jaljeera is so good in flavor. And what do we have here? We have 3 different kinds of rice. De do. So here we have another refill of roti, and obviously this needs to have ghee on top of it. And look at this rice, guys, with dal on it. So I'm just going to give it a taste test. Just that little bit of dal on the rice is so flavorful again. And look at the grains of the rice. I mean, they haven't just used any kind of rice. These are such long grains, so the quality of the rice is top notch as well. And what do we have here? We have some kind of a pulao like thing here. So let's try this. Wow. There are peas in it, carrots cooked together along with flavors of different kind of spices. If you can see here, there's cloves in there as well. So even this rice is so damn delicious. And here we have one of our favorite again, which is dal khichdi. We end up having this at least 2 or 3 times a week. Very healthy, guys, and this is soul food. If you have anything like a bhaji or non-veg with dal khichdi, it goes so well. Oh, even this has ghee on it. Such good flavors, guys. So I have given you a detailed review of most of the items here. If you are in Pune and if you don't want to miss the amras and this lovely veg food, make sure you drop by at Naivedya. You can call them up and check because their menu changes frequently. I'll leave a contact number of the place here in the description below. So guys, I have the head chef here of Naivedya and he's the manager. He's Harshan and he's Sushant. And look what we have here. Because we are done with the thali, we have the meetha pan, and Adrian and mom here are eagerly waiting for the meetha pan. So as you know, along with the veg thali, even the meetha pan here is unlimited, right? So these guys, as every time I come here, they give me very good service. So thank you so much, and we will definitely come back. And let me grab this meetha pan. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.